Hello and welcome back to a new product review. Today we are introducing the Gravity Electric Pepper and Salt Grinder Set, an innovative kitchen tool that brings convenience and efficiency to your cooking experience. This grinder set is designed with a gravity sensor switch, allowing effortless operation. Simply flip the grinder and freshly ground spices will be dispensed. The battery-powered mechanism requires 6 AAA batteries, making it a portable and handy companion for kitchens, restaurants, parties, and outdoor picnics. The grinder offers adjustable coarseness levels to suit your preference, from coarse to fine. It uses a high-quality ceramic rotor, ensuring durability and precise grinding. The grinder's transparent acrylic material, which is BPA-free, at the bottom lets you see the remaining spices, ensuring you never run out unexpectedly. The built-in blue LED light is both bright and gentle, helping you gauge the amount of seasoning you're adding to your food with ease. In addition to its functionality, the Gravity Electric Pepper and Salt Grinder Set boasts a sleek and modern design. The combination of stainless steel and acrylic materials provides a stylish look that complements any kitchen decor. Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, this grinder set enhances your culinary creations with precision and style.
Hi, I'm Faye, and these are the Gravity Electric Pepper Grinders and Salt Mills from Sweet Alice. Simply flip the grinder over and it does all the work for you to deliver fresh ground pepper or other spices to your meals. Twist the knob to adjust the coarseness of the grind from fine for white peppercorns to coarse for seasoning steak and marinades. Freshly ground spices elevate every meal. This grinder set from Sweet Alice is perfect for every kitchen.